Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how I'm going to be making this beautiful water leaf soup recipe. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. In my pot I have stockfish, I have cow feet. Next is my beef tripe. Just make sure you add water to cover the meat, just like so. I'm going to add a little more water. I'm going to blend all of these peppers together. I'm going to go in with some onion, blended peppers. I'll add some maggi to season. Here I'm going to go in with my salt. I'm going to close it up and allow it to come to a boil for 20 minutes, and then we'll start adding other stuffs. For thickener we're going to be using Achi. Stay tuned and enjoy this video, guys. Yeah guys, I'm trying to see if our meat is cooked. 20 minutes later, it's not yet soft. I like to have a very soft meat because of my hobby. He likes his meat soft and nice. Yeah, so we are going to leave it for 15 minutes more, and that will give us 35 minutes, right? Yeah, so we're going to just leave it for 15 minutes and see if it will be done by then. Waterleaf soup is very quick and easy to make. All you need is to make sure your meat is nicely cooked, your stockfish, and then once these ones are ready, you are good to go. It doesn't waste time at all. This is a very quick soup recipe for our mothers. I hope our Mother's Day can attest to this. Yeah, so I'm going to close it up and allow it to cook some more. Okay, so guys, I have some beef. I'll throw it in before it comes to a complete cook. I'll just throw it in so that everything will cook together. I just saw it in my freezer and I had to parboil it like I usually do. So I'll just let everything come to a boil. We don't usually use beef, but sometimes I just feel like I want a little bit, you know. So yeah, I'll close it up. I'm not going to add any more seasoning. Everything tastes good. It will just come to a complete cook, and then we start putting all the necessary things in this soup. The fish, you can see it's already breaking up. Our soup is about to be ready. Yeah, that's all the water we need for this soup. So fam, this is my black peppercorn, Uziza seed like we call it in Nigeria. And then this is crayfish. I'm going to blend all of this together. Here is our Ogirisi. This is going to be used for this waterleaf soup. Trust me guys, it's going to be very delicious. You want to try this, I'm sure you will tell me thank you. Good. Cheers. My ogiri, I'm going to add it to the crayfish and Uziza seed. This is our blend: crayfish, ogiri, and black peppercorn. I'm going to add it to the soup. So I'll add all of this. I haven't added oil. I'm going to add oil right away. You can see our meat is nicely cooked. The beef also is nicely cooked. It's our Achi, and this is how it looks. This is our Achi thickener. It's a thickener for our Igbo soup recipes. I know our Igbo sisters and brothers will relate with this. If you know what Achi is, in the comment section, let me see your comments. Achi is such a very beautiful soup thickener in Nigeria that honestly, you will leave a egusi soup and face this Achi soup by the time you have tried this. This is most delicious and very healthy, very nice soup. I have some Cameroon pepper. I'm going to go in with some Cameroon pepper, guys. You can decide to go in with more crayfish. I like crayfish a lot, so add my fish, deboned fish. At this point, you can decide to add pepper. You can decide to add whatever you want to add. You know, at this point, your snail, periwinkle, whatever thing you want to do, kanda, whatever. But this is how I'm going about this. I have some of this Waterleaf recipe on my channel. I'm going to leave the link. You can go ahead and use spinach if you don't have Waterleaf where you are. Yeah, spinach can do this soup as well. This is a quick soup recipe, and trust me, very delicious. You know what, guys? The Ogiri smell is so awful. Like, if you hear the smell, you won't like to eat the soup. But honestly speaking, by the time it gets into the soup, oh my, it starts speaking some divine languages. Like, the smell is so amazing. It makes your soup smell so delicious. Add oil right now. Add to your preference. Yeah. Ogiri will make your soup smell so nicely, guys. Like, so very nice. Use cocoyam for this recipe as well, for your thickener, okay? This is a good soup recipe. You want to try it. So I'm going to close it for just 2 minutes so that the oil can caramelize with the achi and everything in the soup, cooks nicely. Then we'll add our vegetable. We're going to be using 2 vegetables here. We'll use Utazi leaf and we'll use Waterleaf. So now it's the time to add our vegetable. You might be wondering why I'm adding 2 vegetables. The Utazi here will help this soup come out so delicious. If you add Utazi or Uziza to this soup, it will make the taste come out so nice. And it won't be too sweet. Yes. The Utazi will help you get that natural village soup taste. You know what I mean? Let me know if you understand me in that comment section. Yeah. I mean, this soup is so good with that Uziza seed that went in. It's so delicious, guys. It has enough spice. If you want to add more pepper, it's your choice. If you want to add more seasoning, it's your choice. Guchis don't deal with too much seasoning in her soup. Guys, look at this soup. Can you rate this soup from 10 to 100? This is so delicious. Have a taste. You see what I mean? This tastes so good. You guys know my husband, uncle, Prof. Chukukere. I'm going to set out a delicious plate for him to come and carry because he loves native soup. Like, anytime I make this kind of soup, I don't want us to eat it alone. I want to share so that our elders can bless me. You know, look at all those okoropo. Ooh, this is so good. This is so good, guys. I wish I had fresh snail. I've ordered for snail and I've not gotten snail till now. I'm still hoping. So we are tasting our soup. It's so delicious. Guys, perfect. Perfect. I give myself 100. This is good. I give this work 100. My husband have come back to a delicious meal. To a delicious Igbo woman's soup. This is awesome. Gucci's team, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Waterleaf soup recipe. Please try this and you will love it. Please give this video a like, share to your friends and loved ones. Tell your friend, tell your family that this is Gucci's Kitchen from me to you. Come and eat, guys. Thank you all for staying. God bless you all. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.